Hey guys, I'm with my pal Lindsay over here in her beautiful Jeep. We're going to use the plastic restore from Beam Bright. You can get this on Amazon and it comes with the applicator as well. But look at the wear and tear of this being in the Florida sun for all these years. And Lindsay, let's see what happens when we put the applicator over here. We're just going to put a little dab over here, folks. That's all we're going to do. Just put a little dab of this. Now the emulsions and the properties in here also contain hydrophobic. The silicones, this will repel water down the road. This will take care of, look at that right off the bat, Lindsay.
Wow.
Look at that. Right off the bat. Making this bumper brand spanking. Now it's absorbing into this because you probably have never done this before, right?
No.
Yeah. No. And they don't take this to you over at Jeep detailing?
Wow.
See how it's absorbing in?
Yeah.
All of this was conditioning the plastic, the rubber. You can do the tires on this. This will even do barbecue grills. It'll do wrought iron. It'll bring it back to life. So right now it's doing a protective coating. Folks, watch this.
Wow.
Look at that before and after.
That's incredible.
How about that? Pretty cool stuff, huh? Look at that. Before treatment and after treatment. As you can see, it still needs just a little bit in there, and you can feel free to, you know, keep it in over there. This is a beautiful Jeep, guy. What year is this, Lindsay?
2015, but it only has like 40,000 miles.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
So you can do all of that. Actually, this should be plastic too. No, that's metal. A lady friend of mine has a Rubicon.
Yeah.
And that's a plastic top, so whatever package you get on it, you know. I mean, but look at that.
That's incredible.
Isn't that cool? Who's at home that can help you do this?
My husband.
Okay. Well, he'll get a kick out of this.
Yeah.
Say, I met this crazy Greek guy in Publix.
He's a Tampa fan, so.